Play music on the phone's in-call speaker. Now it's possible. What's up, YouTube? The developer with you. Usually when you listen to the tracks on your phone of all kinds, you use the external loudspeaker. But what if I tell you that there is a third speaker in your phone, which gives you a very pure sound quality? A low quality, but it's still a third one. Only one application is required to get this feature. Its link is in the description. Okay, once open, give its permissions to get access to your sounds. Here, when a sound is played, you will see that it plays in the speaker, not the regular one. It's in the in-call speaker right on the top. It's not really a good quality, but still you've discovered something. You can test this experience, it's still a discovered feature. And that is all for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments section. And if this is your first time here and you want to get more, please subscribe and you will be appreciated. Have a great day.